Good evening. My name is Giulio Bianchi, and tonight I am giving an informative speech on computer animation. Attention! How many of you remember the very first Disney Pixar movie you saw, or Tangled? Good to hear. Well, both those movies have one thing in common. They were both created by computer animation. Disney Pixar's latest project, Onward, set in a suburban fairy tale land where magic seems to have faded in time past, two teenage elves named Ian and Barley set out on a quest to discover if there's still magic out there when being given a magic staff on Ian's 16th birthday. Introduction. Computer animation is the art of creating moving images via the use of computers. Computer animation is used in various mediums such as film, television, and visual effects. Some of the biggest companies that specialize in computer animation that I'm sure a lot of you know about include Disney, Pixar, DreamWorks, and Blue Sky Studios. And here are some logos that I'm pretty sure you've seen in before movies such as Toy Story, Wreck-It Ralph, Ice Age, and Shrek. That goes in that order. Thank you. Now, here are some reasons why I want you to listen. Computer animation is a great form of storytelling for kids and adults alike. For any aspiring animators out there, I encourage all of you to pay very close attention. Also, computer animated films are among the top moneymakers in the world. In Hollywood, I should say. Preview statement. In order to get all of you to fully understand computer animation, I am going to cover what it is, how it is made, and why it is important for the film and entertainment industry. History of digital animation. So, in case you're wondering, what is computer animation? According to Vashi Visuals, the ultimate history of CGI in film, computer animation, aka CGI, dates way back to the 1950s.
I have a question.
Yes.
What does CGI stand for?
CGI stands for Computer Generated Imagery. Thank you for your interest.
Oh, thank you.
Now, computer animation only refers to moving images, unlike CGI. Now, I'm pretty sure you think computer animation and CGI are the same thing, but there's a distinction. CGI deals with static scenes and dynamic images. And the very first movie ever to feature computer animation is Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo, starring James Stewart, which came out in 1958. Okay, now that we've covered what computer animation is, we are now going to talk about how it is made. Now, I will first cover that making computer animation is not easy, because according to Studio Pigeon, how long does it take to produce computer animation? It takes the many talents and dedication of hundreds of different artists to bring computer animation to life. According to Studio Pigeon, a series of images are placed after one another in order to give the audience the illusion of a moving image. And the standard time frame for producing computer animation is 6 weeks, which is a long time to create one moving image. Okay, now that we've covered what computer animation is and how it is made, I would like to discuss with you why it is so important. Okay, the reason why these computer animated movies are so important and popular today is because filmmakers get to tell their stories and communicate their emotions creatively. Computer animation also helps give your images a look and feel. Computer animation is also very enjoyable for those young and old. Now, my favorite computer animated film of this decade is Disney's Zootopia. I love this movie because it is smart, humorous, and I love animals. The animation of the characters and backgrounds is very authentic and realistic. My two favorite characters of this movie are the heroes of the movie, Officer Bunny Judy Hopps and con artist fox Nick Wilde, voiced by Jennifer Goodwin and Jason Bateman. Also, the movie is very well casted. The actors do a very good job of bringing the characters to life. Future projects. The key developers have a lot in store for us computer animation lovers within the next couple months. On June 19th, Disney Pixar is set to release Soul, and on November 25th, Disney is set to release Raya and the Lost Dragon. Something we can very much look forward to. Okay, in conclusion, let's review all the things we've covered so far. Computer animation is the process of bringing moving images to life via the use of computers. Computer animation is made by placing one image after another. And finally, computer animation is a fun and creative way of storytelling that appeals to kids and adults alike. And since its introduction in 1995 with Disney Pixar's Toy Story, the very first computer animated film, computer animated movies have come very far. And they continue to inspire box office draws today. Alright. In closing, thank you all for listening. For all you aspiring animated filmmakers, happy drawings!